This is number 8 on test A and number 9 on test B. And we're going to make a tree diagram, and I already drew it for you. You just have to fill in the numbers. So we have to read carefully in order to get the numbers all in the right place. So the first thing it says here is, if she goes to this company, the probability that she chooses a work of fiction is 0.6. Fiction is 0.6. So that's right here, fiction. So that's going to be the one that is 0.6. Now if I read this, it tells me that I need to write the probabilities on the 6 branches. So I need 6 numbers filled in here. So if I just look at one of these little branches, what do these have to add up to? They have to add up to one whole thing. So all I need to do to calculate each one, probably most people can do it in their head, but I just do 1 minus 0.6, and it tells me that one should be 0.4. Okay, so I did that first part. Then the next part of my sentence says the probability, if she gets fiction, what's the chance that she will get an ebook, is 0.8. So I'm on the fiction part. Here's the fiction. And then it says if she gets the fiction, the chance that she gets the ebook is 0.8. So that goes right here. Again, these add up to 1. So 1 minus 0.8. This part should be 0.2. Now it says if the book is nonfiction, then the probability she gets the ebook is 0.3. So nonfiction ebook is 0.3. Again, in this little part of the table, they add up to 1. So 1 minus 0.3 is 0.7, so this part has to be 0.7. That's it for this part of the question. Now it says, if I go to the company, what is the probability that I will buy a work of fiction as a printed book? So I'm saying a fiction, and printed. That's what that means. Fiction and printed. So I go to the page, fiction and printed. I need to go along this line here to find the probability out here. What do I do when I'm going along the whole row? That's when I multiply those together. 0.6 times 0.2, and I get 0.12. Then it says on the next one, what is the probability that she'll buy an ebook? Well, I see ebooks are on here 2 times. It's on here once here, and it's on here once here. So I need to find these numbers by coming all the way out, and I need to multiply those. So I'm going to multiply going along here like this. 0.6 times 0.8. The chance that she gets an ebook this way, if it's fiction, is 0.48. Then I need to do the same thing here. Multiply these together. 0.4 times 0.3. The chance that she gets a non-fiction ebook is 0.12. Then I need to add these two numbers together. And we get 0.6.